During a family vacation, disaster struck. A burst pipe connecting the toilet tank to the bowl unleashed a deluge, flooding the entire second floor and half of the first. 24-Serve responded urgently, executing swift and comprehensive mitigation measures. We performed full flood cuts and wall removal across multiple levels and carried out meticulous deodorization and disinfection. With a commitment to excellence, 24-Serve embarked on a transformative A to Z renovation journey. This included repairing drywall, applying flawless compound paint, and installing pristine vinyl flooring throughout the home. From managing insurance claims to restoring every inch of the property, 24-Serve delivers a seamless experience. We turn a crisis into an opportunity for unparalleled rejuvenation and peace of mind.